should be far enough. And do you think that position there is all right?
Fine.
We don't really need to do anything with this top one, because we only did it a day ago. 2 days ago.
Really nice and away too much there.
So I'm going to move this one and put him down over here.
Yep.
Then I'm going to take off the queen excluder, make sure the queen's not on there. And then I'm going to move all the frames out of this one, I think, and put in there. I'm going to hopefully see some really new larvae in there. And I'm hoping the queen's down here. We'll play it by ear, but we'll end up with 10 in there, this one to take off and take away, 10 in here. We'll put this back on top of this one, and we'll just leave that as one box.
Yep. So do you want me to take this top box off?
Are you filming? Oh.
I'm busy since the other day.
Lots of bees. So let's give this a go. What, 2 days ago we did honey?
Yep.
And let's screw this back down again. That's a queen.
So we're not
That's
gonna-
a drone.
We're not going to have an excluder.
Not on that one. I do want one on that one eventually. But you don't need an excluder if you've only got one box. So do you want to come over this side? Put over that way maybe. And then I can go into this one. Hopefully this works. Splitting a hive as a novice. Watch out, come on. That's the way.
Have a look on the other side there. Is that?
Lots of honey. Starting to get capped. This is pretty much all honey, which is good. Then they can have like. I've watched that they need food, so that's a good thing.
So you're taking all of those out of there.
I think I might have to open up the bottom. I might have to go into the bottom box, depending on whether I see any young larvae, because that's what they'll turn into a queen. Once again, this has got honey, all honey, a lot of honey.
A lot of bees too.
A lot of bees. I'm not seeing honey, I doubt that should be on this front anyway, from what I've watched.
It's going to come around to the other side here, Tiana, because I've got smoke just coming right into this way.
Let's have a look at this one.
Subdue them a little bit.
They're lovely and calm. I do like my bees. They're not angry. So I've got a beautiful queen in here already. Oh look, there's some brood on that one.
Holy
oh,
damn.
and some young eggs that haven't been capped.
Holy dooly, what's
So that's a good sign. So that means the queen's been up here. So is she still up here? There's a drone.
What are drones?
See that big bee
Yeah.
on the...
That
Yeah.
just there?
No, just...
There.
No, leave your finger where it is. Just there. I'm pretty sure that's a drone. Because there's another one up here.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then all the same size bees. They're all worker bees.
Well, Mum, you're
I
going to
think.
be on your phone.
Oh, bee on my thing. Okay, so there's some old brood, there's some young brood and stuff in there. So that's what we need. Let's speed this process up, okay? To be honest, I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm just winging it.
Seems legit.
Winging it, get it? Geez, winging.
It's smoking me out. Could you move it?
Just trying to subdue you a little bit.
Yeah, okay. Oh, can you move it over this way? That's better. I can't seem to see the queen here. She's obviously been here before.
Mm.
Oh, dang nuggets, I got an itchy ear. Thank you. I never realized you had this many bees.
There's a few.
Just a few. What's that bright orange one on the corner here? I saw one on the other one, just up here. Just that. What's that?
I don't know. It might be a bit of pollen or something. I'm not too sure.
Mm.
Oh. Oh, look.
Well,
I think these guys might be getting ready to swarm because there's so many of them. I'm pretty sure these are queen cells. These ones.
okay.
So that'll go nicely in this new hive, I'm hoping. If I don't get... Because there are a lot of bees. Do you want to come closer and take a squeeze down in there? So I'm pretty sure they're queen cells. So that means they might have been getting ready to swarm and leave because there are so many of them that this might be a really
What's
good
that big chunk down there? Like there's like lots of bees all over it.
It could just be the wax, and because I've upset it, it's moved. This?
Yeah.
Yeah, more than likely it's just the...
I don't like this is way too many bees. And I don't like bees. bit windy. It's not good.
No. I should hurry up and get it done. Hey, put the lids on and leave them alone for a fortnight.
Whoa.
I think they might be. See here, bottom right. They might be queen cells as well.
How much honey?
And
is
not a huge amount.
Are
This
those
is a lot
little-
of brood.
in them? Look at those in them.
Yeah,
What's that?
they're new babies. And I'm not finding any hive feeder, which is really good.
I'm gonna be a bit dazed.
Did you just get smoked?
Oh, sorry, bees. I didn't mean to saw me away. I'm sorry. Please don't sting me. Please don't sting me.
I'm just looking for a queen. There's one in here somewhere because there's new babies. I'm hoping she's done the bottom.
I don't know how to tell queen apart.
She's got a really long body,
Like that one.
but she's got very small wings.
Not
No,
like
that'd be a drone.
Drone.
She's the only one. She looks completely different to everyone else.
Okay. Do you just feel that get like 10 times more intense?
Yeah, they're getting a little bit
That's because I
cranky.
accidentally put their thing down.
What down? What'd you put down, Selma?
I put down a frame a bit too hard. So that's mainly got honey on it. I can't see anything else on that one.
What if we don't find the queen?
Do you want me down the bottom? And I'll disturb the bottom if I don't find it. We'll just move it over a little bit and put the queen excluder and then the honey box on
Did you just
top.
get stung there?
Oh, I just got a sting.
Oh.
I don't know how he got me, but he did.
Oh, please don't get me, please.
Stay calm and positive.
Mum, what if you find the queen? What are you doing?
Well, if I find the queen, then I know where she is. I know which box she's in.
Oh, so you won't like move her to another box?
So I think these here are new queen cells.
Yeah.
The bigger ones. So I might actually be doing this a huge favour. Pretending I know what I'm doing by splitting this knot.
One more to go.
Yeah, I'm just going to push all these over because it's going to be a tight squeeze. Smoking me out. And then we'll leave them for a couple of weeks. And then we'll suss them out.
We're gonna fit in there. So if the queen's not in this box, that means it's gonna be in the bottom one.
She will be in the bottom one if she's not in this one.
Can you turn the frame to me?
She'll probably be in the bottom making babies down there.
Does she move hives off there?
She shouldn't. She's loyal to her hive, I'm led to believe.
No, like boxes.
Oh yes, because I had the queen excluder on the top of this box. That's why this has got babies in
So where are you going to put the queen excluder now?
I'm going to put it on the box where I think the queen is,
Yeah.
which is that bottom box. Can I have some smoke here, please? Just along this side so that hopefully they don't squash them. Because it's the last thing I want to do is squash them.
Now, if this one doesn't fit, are you going to just put it back in this box?
I'm taking that box out altogether. Move it in.
No, I can't.
Why don't you leave one frame out? It's summer.
This is my brood. But if I take this one out, I have the least amount of bees and the most amount of honey, but they've still got lots of honey. It's just a few millimetres, that's all it is. I just have a little bit of smoke over here. Oh, sorry. A little bit of smoke over here. Over this side, other side.
You got him in? Now let's get a bee on you.
Where? She's doing a great job of recording. I've almost got it in. Just a little tip. Yeah, I'm gonna get it in.
Mummy's got a bee on her bum. Huh?
Alright,
Well then.
so this is my new hive. I'm not going to put an excluder on there. Can we put a bit of smoke on there and I'll put this lid on?
I thought you were putting another box on there.
No, not on this one. Because this is the one I don't think has a queen in it. Oh.
What?
Just just
Did
grab.
you say all?
Just to hold the lid down.
Are you going to put anything on the... You're going to put the bit of fly over the top?
I will, but not just yet, because I haven't
Okay.
got it ready. So this is my old box. What we're going to do is we're going to get Mr. Muscles here. I'm here.
Get up.
To...
Take this box off.
No, we're just going to hold it up and I will move that brick around to the other side and then we'll move the box over.
And we're taking this top box off?
We will, but let's not disturb the bees until we're ready to close them all up. And
Okay. You ready?
so do you reckon we'll be able to hold... Position. So if we move this over here, and then you right with that side.
Yep.
And we move them to here. Is that on? That's better.
You're going to come around this side and just push that. Whoop. Sorry, bees.
Whoop.
Shiznickel.
So they don't like that.
Pump me a bit of smoke here. Settle down, bees.
Okay, he didn't mean it. Alright, so we think the queen's in here. So, I'm going to take this box off and I'm just going to sit it down here till tonight. And then hopefully... Yes.
Oh, well done, Mum.
Move it out of the way. I'll put the queen excluder back on.
And what does the clean excluder do?
The queen excluder doesn't let the queen go up into the honey box. So the honey box is just purely honey and no brood stock.
This is intense.
It's sitting flat.
No.
Why isn't it sitting flat?
I had another box on it and it's got a
Put it
bit
the
of...
other way.
This is actually quite simple.
It'd be scary if you didn't have a bee suit on.
Oh, yeah.
So would I.
And I just got smoked out.
What is that you're taking off?
It's... yeah.
But it's not the yellow stuff.
In front of that hive.
What did you put in? Is it just the smoke that's in the smoker thing?
Smoke, no.
Like,
It's a bit of hashing and I chucked a handful of sawdust in. It seems to work really well.
so it
No.
won't like dilute us.
Hmm?
It won't like, yeah, how it like dilutes the bees.
No, it just calms them down a little bit.
Yeah, but it wouldn't calm us down, would it?
No.
Do the bees get into
Okay,
the...
so because I think this one's got the queen in it, I'll put my honey super on top.
Your honey what?
My honey super, because I've got the queen excluder here, they'll only make babies down here and honey up here.
Good one, Mama Lucas.
Nearly done.
And then that's it, that's my new experiment. put a little tin roof over this one
Just to keep them cool. Or...
to keep them cool and also to keep the rain out.
What about that one?
Well, I've got to go and make one for that.
Okay. Oh, Mum.
It'd be nice to find another bit of
You
tin just like
killed
this.
Killed a bee.
Oh, baby.
The bee's dead.
That's it.
So that's it.